connecting your CODA meter to FlowVision 2.0. Each package comes with your CODA meter, a quick start guide, and access to Alicat's graphical user interface, FlowVision 2.0. To get started, power the device by connecting it to a computer using a USB-C to USB-A cable. If the connection is successful, a green LED light appears. First, click the device's icon located on the top left side panel. Next, click the green plus sign. Select Wired. Set your device ID to 1. Leave the baud rate as it appears. Click the COM port box to specify which COM port your device is attached to, then click Confirm. There is an option to add a custom name if you prefer. Click Add. If the connection is successful, the device appears as an entry under the device's module. For further assistance, speak with an Alicat applications engineer at 1-888-290-6060 or email us at info@alicat.com.